Hi everyone, it's Lori Elmore responding to assignment 9. So part 1 says digest the quote from Ron Edmonds and share your opinion describing the biggest single obstacle to successfully teaching our children. Ron Edmonds states, "We can, whenever and wherever we choose, successfully teach all our children whose schooling is of interest to us." I find the biggest single obstacle to successfully teaching our children would be differentiating instruction to fit the needs of all my students. I could accommodate and modify more than I do for my special education students. Also, I need to really consider the different learning styles when developing my lessons. I would never want to leave work thinking I left a student out of my lesson. Part 2. Consider your experience as a learner, a time when you were inspired to go beyond the stated learning objective, a moment when you were caught up in the magic and the joy of learning. For the most part, I always knew I wanted to be a math teacher, but I didn't know how I was going to make it through geometry in high school. I always took more interest in algebra and never could seem to understand geometry until I was in college. I'm not sure what it was, something just clicked. Understanding by design states we show our understanding of something by using it, adapting it, and customizing it. In college, I was able to use an app called GeoGebra. Therefore, I caught myself wanting to design and learn from the app. Another magical moment was when I was actually started teaching algebra. I knew how to find answers and solve equations, but it seemed like I didn't exactly know why or how. Now I feel like I know the ins and outs of most equations and how they work. I don't want to show my students just the steps to solving the equations. They deserve to have the aha moment like I did, but hopefully before they leave my classroom. The book states to ensure greater understanding of abstract ideas, students must have far more direct or simulated experience of them than most current textbook-driven courses. I want to be able to connect algebra concepts to the real world.